Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved with a controller on PC. First, connect your favorite controller to your personal computer. You can use a USB cable for a wired connection or Bluetooth for a wireless experience. Make sure your controller's drivers are up to date to ensure smooth operation. Once connected, simply launch Ark Survival Evolved through your game platform. Now that your controller is connected, let's adjust the in-game settings. From Ark's main menu, select Options. Within the options, you will find a Controls or Gamepad section. Here, you need to enable controller input. Take your time to customize the button mappings to suit your playstyle, ensuring every action feels natural and responsive during your adventures in the Ark world. With your controls and graphics set, it is time to select your content. From the main menu, browse the extensive collection of cars and tracks. You can choose from various vehicle types, including open-wheelers and touring cars. Decide whether to enter a single-player practice, a full race weekend against artificial intelligence, or join a multiplayer server for online competition. Customize session details like weather and time of day for a unique challenge. For advanced customization, consider using Steam's Big Picture mode, which offers extensive controller configuration tools. You can create and save multiple custom controller profiles, allowing you to switch between different setups for various gameplay situations. If you encounter any issues, such as input delay or unresponsive buttons, try restarting your game or checking for updated controller firmware. These steps often resolve common problems, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.